Hey guys, it's Matt. It is February 20th, 2024. And let's just run through this quick. So, whole market kind of opened up down, had a little bounce toward the end of the day there. Uh, all the all the big guys here are looking pretty much the same sort of day. So continues to chop basically, right? I mean, if we're looking at any of them, the past 5, 6 sessions since this big gap down and then run back up and then chop back down. So we'll, again, who knows where we're going to go from here? I don't. You don't. If you think you do, you're wrong. You don't know. You might guess and get lucky, but you don't know. So here's the dollar and then the 10-year yield, which, you know, this one kind of just bounced flat too. So that sort of makes sense with what we saw with the SPY and everything, right? Anyway, let's see. So I took this trade today. You can see here. Let's go to the 5 minute chart. Um, so when the market was going down, see SPY going down early in the session. Some of the airline stuff was going up. Jets was doing the same. Sorry, I want to show you 2 days. Jets was doing the same. They were both kind of making runs here early, and I thought, "Oh, this is nice." So when it broke the high of yesterday here, I got in and set my stop below today's low, and then you can see it pretty much instantly reversed, and then just kind of hung out all day. So I stopped out here at the end of the day for a 0.55 R loss. The reason I held it is because I was thinking, well, there's a chance that the market bounces. You never know, right? And I'm willing to take a full 1 R loss on this if that's what happens, right? When I get into a trade, I'm assuming, or I shouldn't say I'm assuming I'm going to take a loss, but I've come to terms already with having to take a 1 R loss if that's what happens. So I let it go until at least the end of the day. Some people will cut it earlier. It's kind of not my bag. I'm not going to sit around and watch it all day. So I'm either going to cut it really early or I'm going to let it go to the end of the day. Because some people will cut it early and then they'll sit and watch for the rest of the day and then they'll re enter later if they see some momentum coming back in. I don't sit at the screens all day, so that's not my bag. But what I'm thinking is, okay, if around here instead of this drop down here, we get this push up here, and and then SPY makes a nice reversal in the rest of the market, and we close green. That could have pushed the AAL trade back up into the green territory, and then I probably would have held it overnight and see what it would have given me. But um, such was not the case. So let's check out. I was in this one since Friday, which was up around 8 or 9 R or even above at some point. But I got stopped out of this today. My stop was here below the recent below this pivot on Friday. So anyway, got in this one at 23.97. I had taken a little bit off at 1 R like I always do at 23.36, sorry. And then had taken some more off up here like 25.12, I think was the highest I got out of this, and then got stopped out the rest today at 24.60, which was a little lower than I would imagine, but I guess I didn't have my stop as tight to this area as I thought. But anyway, that ended up being a 4.2 R trade, so definitely not a bad one. No follow through here today, but I mean, who needs it when you had this much fun on Friday? And part of the reason I mean I did so well with this was that I got in early. The stop was tight, so when I had a day like this, man, it was just ready to rock. So let's see. Oh, and I got stopped out of AMD, which is not surprising. This was a full. Uh, this wasn't a 1 R. It was a 0.67 R loss. I was a little undersized on this. So I'm not, here, I'll show you the daily chart for this because actually, now that I think about it, I guess I got in here this day, right? And then my stop was here. Anyway, yeah, I got stopped out. I was a little undersized. I don't remember exactly why. I had only taken about 2/3 of my normal position size or my normal risk size there. But anyway, that's what happened today. So overall, not a bad day. I am let's see, over the past 30 trades, I'm up 14.4 R, right? So currently. So I kind of keep a running 30 trade uh, R multiple tally, just to kind of show how I'm trending over the past 30 trades. I also do the average, which is showing me the same thing. My average R is 0.48 over the past 30 trades. And then, um, yeah, anyway. Cool. So, yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. I know it's on a separate screen, so you guys can't see any of that. But at some point, I'll pull it over and show you. But just not today. I gotta get running. But all right, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Most likely, not going to be trading much unless we get some really good momentum and the market really looks like it's gonna start rocking again. But we might be in some chop for a while, so time to probably just sit tight and protect capital, keep your powder dry, as they say. So we'll try to do that.